Hey everyone, welcome back to Want to Step. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to find job recommendations on LinkedIn using your phone. It's very quick and easy, so let's get started. First, you have to open the LinkedIn app on your phone. If you don't have the app yet, you can get it from Google Play Store or the Apple App Store. Once you do that, on the top left of your screen, you can see your user ID. Below your username, you can see your view profile option. Tap on it. Then on your screen, there's edit. So details open to work option right below enhance profile. Tap on that edit open to work option and select the job preferences you're gonna work on. Once you edit that, tap on save and go back. Now, once you go back, you can see at the bottom of your screen there are options like home, my network, new post, notifications and jobs. Under the jobs, you can see the recommendations for the jobs that you edited on your job appearances. And guys, that's it. That's how you find recommendations for jobs in LinkedIn. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment, subscribe to our channel and hit that bell icon. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.